Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to CNFT's afternoon wrap-up of our trade recommendations for the Treasury note, the 10-year note. Every day at 6:45 a.m. Central Time, we make specific trade recommendations as to whether we want to be buyers or sellers, and that idea comes from this particular screen. Yesterday, we looked at a P formation, which means we favor the buy side. In the overnight session when London opened, we got another P formation, so this morning we came in wanting to buy 17s to 13s. This was our buy area, and we had a low right here at 12.5. We said it might take 19s to 20s to get off a trade. As the market progressed, you can see that that was exactly where the buyers entered the market. We had one sell zone starting out this morning. We were willing to sell failure to take out 26, 28, but we were really only interested in the buy side, and the market just blew right through 26, 28 and didn't stop till we got to 26.05. Our number 2 sell zone was 31 to 03, and you had 2 or 3 opportunities to get off a short in the 3 area. And the market eventually traded down to 28.29. So we had a really, really good day of trading in the note. In fact, it's what I would call a home run day. It's all fine and good that you want to be long or short on a particular trade, so how do you put on that trade? Our ideas come from our F1 and our F2 screens. Our execution is off the F4 screen, and this is a short-term chart. It's based on a 3-minute time period. You already know what you want to do. You already know where you want to be long or short from. And when you get our prescribed setups, you take the trade. And in this particular case, this was the rundown on news, which was negative. But you can see right here that the shorts began to cover on this bar. So in this particular case, you could have been long from 15. If you missed that trade on the first run up, you could have entered the trade on what we call our mean green trade. In this situation, you would have been long at 19, and the first stop was 27. So you had a shot at 7 to 11, 30 seconds, which is a great trade. The market set back, gave us another buy signal right here. You can see it with the letter B, and from there it traded up to 05. So on the first 2 trades of the day, on this first trade, you could have been long for 7 to 11. Off this one, you would have entered the game at 25. And you could have picked up another 11, 30 seconds. So it was a huge day of trading. On the downside, you had a shot at 18 to as many as 22, 30 seconds. And this will happen a couple of 3 days a month. You need to be ready to play on big days like this when the market does trend. And if you can catch 1 or 2 days like this, it has an immense impact on your bottom line. For more information about CN Futures Trading, please visit our website at www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our site, you'll get an overview of our software, our educational programs, and our trading methodology. We also offer you a 1-week free trial in our trading rooms and to our site, where you can gain more insight as to how we go about our business of trading. If you wish to contact us, our email address is info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing many of you in our trading room next week. Good trading. See some of you bright and early in the morning at 6:45 Central Time.